Now I show you how to create a new formula for this new products. The first step, we will need to put the powders on this conveyor here, and then powder case with powder on this side, because there's two camera on this. You see, two camera on top. Make sure it can read this powder case and powder. Okay, this position. If your powder have a logo, so if you want this logo, this match with this printing, so at the beginning, for example, your logo printing like this, NOTE, and then also you will put this powder case this way. So it means this one, NOTE, something like this, match wheel, okay? Just match wheel, something like this, okay? Make it straight. So that if like this, we don't need to adjust this angle, okay? We just set the angle 0. And then we open the spheres here. You will see this is solution, okay? This is sphere. We open this surface sphere, okay? And then we copy anyone. Copy. And then paste. Relimit. Testing. Testing, okay? And then open the testing. Okay, and then template setting, password 123. 123. Okay, and then take a photo first. Okay, you will see this is case and this is powder. The first case template. Okay, future model. Delete this original one and then put a new one. Okay, this is a case, and then we'll make a circle. This one we just find this case position. So this make sure this next time this put this case versus this position. Okay, like this one cover only no problem. Something like this. Okay, locking and confirm. You say inside have this mainly this. We will use this eraser. Here no need too many this accurate. Okay, just a frame. Just a frame, something like this. Okay. So and then we're confirm. And also, if we want this here, you can use the menu for just this something like this. Okay, you will see if like this. Okay, and then excuse, confirm. So this is this case, and then powder. Powder is template, okay? Also, future model, delete, and then create a new one, okay? Here we better make sure it's pick up this center, match with this powder center. A little big, no problem, okay? It was lock and then confirm. You will see this one. Okay, green. Okay, something like this is okay. It's good and exclude, confirm. And then position. This one it means we should load this powder put this powder case this position. Okay, so this one we need to make sure accurate. Okay, so here's future, delete, and then create a new one, and then we will circle. Here we must make sure this add this powder. Okay, and then lock and then confirm. Okay, you will see this one looks good. Okay, so something like this, and then exclude, confirm. So this is this is powder. So if your powder have no logo, just this case template, powder template, and then position. This is loading position template. So this is just use this one side. If you use this right side, also you should see this put the powder here, and then same way, like put this one, okay. And right now with if your powder have logo, so we will see here also left powder shape. It means logo. Future right now we will need this create, and then also take a photo. You see here. This one we just make sure find this logo, this future, okay. Small, a little. Just find the logo, future is okay. Okay, like this, and then you will see here. Let's see the logo. The color is logo. Okay, and then lock, confirm. You will see here, and then we edit. Still, we just amend this main feature. Okay. You will see here we no need this one. No need this one, no need this one. Something like this here, also no need. Here, no need. So we just found something that's a future. Its main feature is it will be okay. Okay, something like this, and then we confirm. You will see. Here's you will see here, NOTE. So something like this. If like this, okay, and then exclude. Confirm. Okay, and then if like this, everything be ready, so we can running. Okay, we can run this back. Here's already finished. Okay, and also we check this position 1, 2, 3. Check this position. Here we see this is 1.2 because we make sure this can pick up good. Confirm. So we make sure it can pick up this powder good. Okay, and then we can put this powder here. No problem. Anywhere, position, put the powder case here. Okay, and then we're running. We can run this machine. Okay, so we just running here. Just stop. We save it. We need to save it. Okay, save parameters. Okay, save my parameters. Okay. You see? Okay, and then put a powder case. See? So this is a finish the setting. Okay. So when you next time you want to use this one, I show you another one. You will see here. We have this here. This is a formula list. Let's stop this one. Close. Okay. I show you again here. Here, start from here. Here, you see here. English. Okay. Here is formula list. You will see we can add a formula. What's it? The name is testing. Okay. Testing, and then testing. And then select. Okay, and then save it. You see here already, and save it. And then we will formula. Next time we just use formula with the formula loading. Okay, formula loading. We will put the powders. We will put powder here. Okay.